Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by importing the sky assets into your project. This is faster than creating them later. Create a new material and assign a skybox shader. Choose procedural for adjustable atmosphere or 6, sided for cube maps. Once done, assign textures to the material slots or tweak sun size and exposure for procedural. You do this now so Unity can compile the shader and show accurate previews in the scene view. That immediate feedback speeds iteration and avoids guesswork. With your skybox material ready, open Lighting Environment and replace the skybox material field by dragging your material into it. You'll see the scene update. If nothing changes, make sure scene lighting is set to auto. Next, rotate the skybox or adjust exposure and ambient intensity so reflections and global illumination match your art direction. Because the sky influences reflection probes and baked lighting, always preview with your main cameras and probes, enabled to ensure consistent results across platforms. Finally, bake lighting if your scene uses baked GI so the new sky affects indirect light. You can also update reflection probes manually for immediate reflections. Make sure each camera's clear flags is set to skybox so the material is visible in play. If the skybox still fails to appear, confirm shader compatibility with your render pipeline, built-in ERP, HDRP, and update the material shader accordingly. This is the most common fix and resolves mismatched.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.